Hello and welcome. This is Abdul again with my third video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the features you find on Rich Editor on Moodle platform. So let's see what happens on Moodle platform when you start a new discussion topic. So we have to, first of all, we have to give the title, Moodle features or Rich Editor features, whatever is it. So when you submit the title, you will be taken to the lower section. Here you find a lot of icons on the top. So these icons are the features we are talking about right now about. The first icon is about showing or hiding advanced buttons. So if you click here, you will find more buttons, more icons. So this button is, and again if you click it, the other buttons will go off, will be hidden. So this is used to hide or show buttons. So this is the purpose of this button icon. And the next icon is for paragraph styles. So if you type something here, if you type welcome, okay, suppose let me type welcome. Okay, let me type welcome here. So when you type welcome here, this letter type can be, you can either select it as a heading or medium heading, heading small, pre-formatted, paragraph. So there are different, so again we can type something else. Let me take something else. Okay. Hello. This hello can be heading, heading medium, heading small, pre-formatted. Oh, these are the different text size. I mean, these things we need when you're typing long text. So you can find the use of these things when you submit, when you start a new discussion topic or submit something on this form. So now let's go to the next icon. So here, if you click this is the normal letter, and when you click it, it will become bold. So you can use this to make your letter types bold. Okay, if you click it again, all these things will become mediums, ordinary types. So if you click it, it will become bold. Okay. Now this one is for italicizing. So this normal one, if you click it, your letter style become italicized. Now this is for background color. You can select the background color. The background will become yellow. You can select it. This one is for font color. You can select the font color. Font color can be black or something like that. Okay, you can check it with this. This is the font family. You know the type of font we are using. So sometimes we'll have to use particular font. Okay, if you click this, this is one, Arial is one font type. You can check it. You can do it depending on your requirement. This is the font size. So we have already selected the fonts. Now we can check the small, we can make it small, we can make it extra large, whatever is it. This is for unordered list. Suppose we are typing something, we can list it. So maybe bullet points or numbers. This is for numbers. Okay. If you type this, you can find numbers. This is for unordered list with lots of bullets or points like this. And this one is for giving link. We used to give links. For example, you want to give a link. For example, our course page. This is the course URL, and we can copy it and give it here. Let us paste it here. Okay. We need to change the font size. small. Again, you can select it small. Okay, fine. This is the link. Okay, we need to change the background. We have already selected the background color. We need to change it. Background color can be white. No background at all. Okay. Let me select it. Normal text, small. Okay. Now this is a link we have pasted here. And if you want to give it a link, you always have to click this first and paste it. Okay. And if you do it like this, the link will be embedded for this on this Moodle form. So this is for giving link, embedding link, YouTube link. You can link all these. You can embed all these links on Moodle platform by clicking this. What you have to do is to click it. In the gap, you have to paste it and create link. So this is what we can do with this. And this is the unlinking. So we have already linked this text with a page. So you can click it and click unlink. Now the link is gone. You don't find highlighted. This one has a link. This doesn't have a link. Okay. This is to prevent auto linking. Sometimes when we copy and paste text, the text may have got some links, auto link. So you can click it and to remove the auto linking process. This is for importing a Word file. You can import Word file by clicking this. If you click it, you will be asked to show the location. Maybe you can go to the computer's different locations and select it. So if you want to add a Word file to Moodle platform, you can click this link icon. The next one is to insert or edit image. You can insert images, clicking this. You can browse the repositories. You can again go back to the computer and check for images available there. So this is how you import images to your Moodle platform. This one. This is for word text. This is for image, and this is for managing files. There could be other files too you want to embed. And if you want to manage files, you can just click this. This is for recording. Recording has two icons. I will show you the other one. Let us complete this first row. This one is you can use short recordings by clicking this. If you click this, you can say hello. Say hello. You can. I need to give permission. And hello, hello, hello. Let me stop it. Attach recording. I have attached it. I'm going to attach it. So the recorded sound audio is okay. Upload failed. Maybe some issues there, so we don't want to upload right now. So this is how you record your audio, small audio text. This is for recording video. If you click this, so you can click again, give permission. The camera will get started, and you can record your video. So these are the ways you could record your audio, video. And this one is to insert or edit audio, video file. You can insert or edit audio or video files from outside, and you can bring it here and you can edit it here. The last one you find is for Teams meeting. You can schedule Teams meeting by clicking this link. So Microsoft Teams has got a link here with Moodle. With Moodle, on Moodle you can find the link. You can click here and schedule your meetings. Maybe some issues with right now. Maybe the URL is not working right now. So this is for that. And let's come back again. If you click this, further icons will be exposed. This is for underlining. If you select this and click this, the text will get underlined. This is for strike through. Suppose we don't want this first welcome, this text, you can just strike it through. Okay. This is for superscripting, for mathematical equations or scientific calculations. We need this subscripting and superscripting. Sub x, okay, we need okay, it become like this subscript, and again if you start writing in this way, you can superscribe. Superscripting and subscripting. These two ways that we always need for scientific calculations, okay, I mean scientific equations like that, or mathematical expressions. This is for left alignment, this is for middle alignment, this is for right alignment, this is for out. Okay, you can do this or this. These are all things that you can do while you're intending alignment, maybe justifying your text. This one is for equation editor. You can always bring in emblems or arrows, operators. I mean, equation editor. So if you want some operators, you can bring in from this section by clicking this button. This one is for inserting character. You can always insert other characters. Okay, and this one is for creating tables. You can create tables with necessary rows or columns. This one is for clear formatting. This one is for emoticons. No, it's really wonderful. Sometimes we need emoticons. You can just type this. You can just enter this, and okay, this is one emoticon I have created. So when you save this, you can find the emoticon in the proper shape. This one for undoing. Okay, if you undo this, so all the work you have done will be undone. This is for redoing. This is for accessibility checker. This is for screen reader helper. Again, this one for mathematical equations. We have other icons in mathematical equations. This one, insert a chemistry formula. We have this. So we have already seen these things, but here we have separate icons for mathematical equations and chemical formula. This one is for embedding HTML text. If you want to paste an HTML text to upload an image, to embed an image, you can just click this and do that, and you can just paste it here. Okay, this one is for recording audio. Again, this is the second audio recorder here, but here you can record more lengthy audios and lengthy videos. So these two things, audio, video, we have seen it here. This is the second one. Okay, now if you want to draw a picture, you can use this, creating media file. You can use draw a picture. You can take a picture. This is a camera you can use, and this is to insert a widget. All these things are available here on Moodle Rich Editor. So try making use of these things and become an expert. So you'll find it really interesting. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.